Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you are facing a lot of problem with the voice messages on WhatsApp, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to fix all the problems about these WhatsApp voice messages. So first of all, open your Google Play Store and right here in the search tab, WhatsApp. And make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp app. So if you see there any option of update, then just update this. Now go back. Now step 2 is open your settings app, scroll down and look for app or apps manager. Now just tap on this. Now scroll and find out your WhatsApp apps from this app list. Now tap on this WhatsApp app and scroll a little bit and tap on this storage tab, and you can see there is an option clear data. Just tap on that. So now open your WhatsApp again. I hope these two methods will solve all the problems related to your WhatsApp voice messaging. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.